Okay guys, I'm up here, I'm on live. I guess I'm live. Alright. Okay, so this particular live event was not publicized because I didn't plan it, Sometimes I just want to surprise you guys, come up here and share a lot with you. Um so this morning I'm here in my trading on my trading desk rather, and I'm looking at the chart. Then something struck me, like, because I get these questions a lot, like how long will it take for me to make money consistently from the forex market, and I'm here today to answer this question. So let's wait a few seconds for one or two persons to join, then we continue. Like, guys. Alright, okay, I've seen one or two persons joining. Alright, if you are just joining us, if you're just listening to this now, type on the comments section I can hear you loud and clear. And if you can see me too, also type you can see me clearly. And if you can hear me, type you can hear me loud and clear. And then I will move forward to that. I don't intend to take time on this particular live session. I want to keep it brief and straight to the point. Okay, so guys, here is the answer to this question: how long will it take for me to make money consistently from forex trading? Now it depends on a lot of factors. Okay, it depends on so many factors, but I want to share with you three major and important factors which you need to consider, which you need to put into consideration before you can make money consistently from forex trading. The very first thing is your dedication to learning. Are you ready to learn? If you are trading already, are you ready to unlearn and relearn? Okay, so don't mind me, I'm doing some rhyming stuff here. But are you ready to learn? Your dedication to learning really matters if you want to weigh when you start making consistent profit. Are you ready to, the next question you need to ask yourself is, are you ready to spend at least 2 to 3 hours daily implementing what you have learned from the training courses you have, or from the materials you are reading through, or video tutorials you are going? Now, if you are dedicated enough, then you are 3 steps away from consistent profit in forex trading. Then the second factor here is your budget for learning and practice. It is very obvious that we have lots of free training out there on how do you call it, on Medium, on Quora, on YouTube, even here on Facebook. Me too, I have a lot of video and free videos on my YouTube too, and also here on Facebook. But the truth is, there are some key and vital things in forex trading that won't be given to you for free. You can't get everything for free. There's nothing of value, there's nothing of extreme or high value that you are going to get it for free. You can't access everything for free. So your budget for learning is very necessary in this journey. So if your budget for learning is very low, like as I know, I do get some people come to me and say, I want to learn forex, then I'll send you a link to my YouTube video and you tell me you don't have data. If you can't afford data, then forex trading is not for you. It's as simple as that. I know I may be sounding very harsh here, or very mean, but it's the honest truth. I have to let you know. If you can't afford data, if you can't even afford a good Android device or a smart device, forex is not for you. Okay, so if you want to learn forex, you need to be ready to pay for it. Pay the price for it. If you see a good training course or a program for 20k, 30k, 50, 100, and you can afford it, pay for it, you get value for it. I'm not trying to say the expensive courses are really valuable, but truth be told, the higher the price, the more the value you get from there. So that is the second factor you need to consider. And then when you get this second factor right, that means you are now 2 steps ahead of to make consistent profit in forex trading. All right, now the third factor is your trading goals. What are your trading goals? What goals do you have coming into the forex market? Do you want to flip your $100 to 1 million in 2 weeks? If that is your goal, be ready to burn your cant over and over again before you achieve that goal. Okay, I'm being honest here, but it's achievable. Everything is very, very possible when it comes to the financial market. You can spin that cash, like how do you call it, flip the cash within a twinkle of an eye, and you can also lose everything within few seconds. But you need to set realistic goals. Like you can say you want to set a certain percentage of your trading equity per trade you are taking. With that, you'll be able to manage your risk properly, and you also you need to have a plan too, like a trading plan. For example, you say, okay, until a trade meets this criteria before I pull my trigger or before I enter that particular trade. So when you have all these 3 major things I've said earlier, when you have them all together, then you are ready to make profit consistently in forex trading. Now it's not going to be easy for you in this journey. Trading is a very, very controversial war on its own. The journey is not easy, I will tell you that. But if you have a coach or a mentor that guides you, it's going to shorten your process, the process of learning. So I will recommend you get a good mentor that will guide you and tell you, okay, this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, and so on and so forth. So get all these 3 things together. When you get it together, give yourself the first 3 months, and after the first 3 months you see an improvement in your training, in your trading. You see an improvement and you start making profit at least every month. But to start earning that money like consistently every day, being on profit, or consistently every week being on profit, or monthly or quarterly, it all depends on your trading goals and plan. You need to give yourself at least 1 year. Now this 1 year is not just to master your trading skills, is for you to also understand fully how the market works. You can say the first 3 months you master the trading skills, like the technical analysis fundamentals, you master that. Then the next 3 months, you use it to master your emotions. When you know how to control your emotions. That is the second 3 months. Now the next one, you look at how dynamic the market is, the structures and all the stuff. So it will take you at least 1 year to fully understand and master your trading skills. So after 1 year you can find yourself and say, I've tried. That this 1 year you need to be consistent in trading. Not this month you trade, next month you won't trade. You need to be consistent in trading. You need to be trading, looking at the market every day, implementing everything you're learning like every day. So when you do this for 1 year, there's no way you won't get better. You get better. And at first, this first 1 year, I will recommend or will suggest you don't just focus on your trading result, like how much am I making. Rather, you should be tracking your progress on your skill, how you have mastered the skills. Like for example, you can pick 1 month and say, okay, I want to master how to spot a good entries. The next month you say, okay, I want to master how to trail my stop loss. Just pick one thing at a time. It's just like the normal traditional educational system. You don't just go to school, then within 2 months and you graduate and get a degree. You need to spend some time. Then first semester you learn this, second semester you learn this, third, then just like that till you leave school. So the same is applicable to trading. So here's my advice for you. Okay, if you're ready to make money consistently from forex trading, get a good coach or a good mentor or trainer, however you want to call it. Get the person, pay the price, and be ready to implement. If you already know about forex, be ready to unlearn and relearn. With that, yeah, you're going to be successful and you're going to make more money. All right, so I just had a thought of this and I decided to share with you guys. Okay, so I believe you have learned a thing or two from this video, and I need your help right now. I want you to share this video, share it with your friends on WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, share it here on Facebook, everywhere, Instagram. Just share this video so that we all learn, and we also get this, we also share the awareness to so many newbie traders, so they don't just jump into the market and try to make spin or flip $100 to 1 million within a week, and they end up blowing their entire fund. So if this video was helpful for you, comment on this comment below this video. Thank you very much. And then you can ask your questions. I'll look at them, then I'll reply you by answering the question, or maybe do a video for you sometimes some other day. But don't forget to share this video. All right, okay.